Did you know that you could watch our videos in many languages? Languages such as
En français.
and other languages such as.
Recuerda, puedes ver los videos en español siguiendo las instrucciones incluidas en este video.
To use the auto translate feature, start by tapping on the video that you would like to watch. Once the video comes up, tap the screen so that in the upper right-hand corner you can turn on the closed captions. After turning on the closed captions, you'll tap the upper right-hand corner with the 3 dots, which will then bring up a menu, and you can press the captions. Then that will bring up a menu and you can tap the auto translate feature, which will bring up a list of many different languages. Once those languages come up, we can select French. After selecting this option, you'll now notice that in the bottom of the screen, the captions are in French. And that's how easy it is to use the auto translate feature when watching our videos.